1%? No. 10%? No. 90% of candidates make these common mistakes during their job hunt. And make sure you are not one of them by following these super simple tips. First and foremost, stop sending generalized resume and cover letters. Instead, start tailoring your resume according to each job description. Next, and most important, don't apply to every job you came across. Quality matters more than quantity. So apply to job roles that align with your skills and career goals. My third tip for you is to not only focus on salary, consider other factors also, like growth opportunity, work-life balance, and company culture. Last but not least, your online presence matters. So make sure your LinkedIn profile and other social media accounts are updated. So follow Harvin for more such exclusive content. Thank you.